गुड टू हैव सी यू रोशान, आपके वक्त का बहुत शुक्रिया और साथ ही साथ हमें यहाँ पे ज्वाइन किया यासिर अरफात साहब ने, साबिक टेस्ट क्रिकेटर है पाकिस्तान के। यासिर भाई, आपकी आमद का भी बेहद शुक्रिया। रोशान, वी हैव टू सी ग्लोरी टाइम ऑफ श्रीलंकन टीम इन द एरा ऑफ मुरलीधरन, Mahila Jayawardene, De Silva and many others. But now in current situation, we have seen fighting in qualifying round. What went wrong?
Well, it's a long story, as you know. It didn't happen yesterday. Thanks for having me first on your show, and I'm privileged and honored to be on your show with my good friend Amir Sohail. And just with regards to where Sri Lanka is, I think it's a culmination of a lot of things that happened in the past. So unfortunately, Sri Lanka has to qualify. So we got to now focus on where we are. So yeah, it's a bit of an unfortunate situation. I'm hoping that Sri Lanka will be able to come out of it unscathed and get into the final 12 and do well. That's what every Sri Lankan is actually hoping for.
Roshan, greetings from Lahore. How are you doing?
How are you, Amir? Lovely to hear your voice again.
Lovely to see you as well on our show. Thank you for your time. I just want to ask you, it was a convincing victory for Sri Lankans, but batting remains the concern.
Absolutely, Amir. I think you hit the nail on the head, and that's perfectly assessed. That is a big worry. I think the top order is still showing a lot of concern. Because see, we are not talking about batting against Pakistan or India or some of the bigger names like Australia or England. We were talking about Namibia, and it was just 96 runs is all what we needed. Now, honestly, I expected Sri Lanka to just win easily. 9 wickets, 10 wickets, that was my margin of victory when Sri Lanka had to chase down 96. But to see Kusal getting out, then Pathum Nissanka, and then the experienced Chandimal. Now, don't forget, Kusal and Chandimal are the two most experienced players with more than 50 scalps. So those two getting out was a huge concern. And if not for, this partnership, Sri Lanka would have, been a little bit embarrassed. They would have won, but, that win wouldn't have, satisfied and convinced too many people.
Bowlers did a grand job for the Sri Lankan captain. You must be a very proud Sri Lankan to see 3 of the fast bowlers generating a lot of pace and troubling the batsmen who were facing them.
Yeah, Amir, you have seen these guys in Sri Lanka because you've done a lot of work with us. See, I think that's the advantage of having 2 genuinely quick bowlers in a first round, when you're playing against countries like Namibia, Netherlands, Ireland. I mean, those guys don't face express pace like in the top league. So that has turned out to be a huge advantage. And add to that, Amir, you will also agree that Dushmantha Chameera has come through, in leaps and bounds. He's been impressive. He was part of the IPL, but he didn't play. But, he bowled quicker than what I've seen him bowl. He would generally bowl in the low 140s. Now, today he was clocking up close to 150. So that is very encouraging. So these 3 fast bowlers in this first round are going to be critical simply because they are going to hurry a few batsmen. And I'm hoping that the leg spinner will come to the party.
Yeah, Roshan, you must be very convinced with the bowlers. They are actually complementing each other. Fast bowlers, they are rubbing off to the spinners and they're responding well. What sort of an approach you would like to see from the Sri Lankan batsmen if they are to make chances to reach to the semi-finals?
See, I think Amir, semi-finals is a long way off. I think we need to first get into the final 12. See, I think Sri Lanka will do that.
Hang on, Roshan, hang on. You're not convinced your team is going to sail through to the semi-finals? No. Conditions are very tailor-made for Asian sides. Come on, man, show some confidence.
No. This is typical you. You're great at needling people, aren't you? Huh? You always do this to me. No, that's not what I meant. You know that. But it's just that, Amir, when you are playing against countries, associate countries and lesser known countries, obviously you will agree that the more fancied team is under pressure. So Sri Lanka is under pressure. You saw what happened to Bangladesh yesterday. I mean, Bangladesh was a better side.
Sri Lanka is under pressure. मैं यासिर भाई आपकी तरफ आऊँगा. जिस तरह रोशान अपनी टीम के हवाले से पुरुमीद भी हैं और कुछ तहफ़्फ़ुज़ात भी हैं उन्हें. आज की परफॉर्मेंस को आप किस नजर से देखते हैं कि श्रीलंका ने बॉलिंग किस तरीके से करवाई और किस तरह पहली 3 विकेट्स गिरी और फिर जम के खेले और नतीजा फिर उनके हक में आया?
सबसे पहले तो आपको सलाम और आमिर भाई को मेरी तरफ से सलाम और वेरी गुड इवनिंग टू स्पेशल गेस्ट फ्रॉम श्रीलंका भी संगे फ्रॉम माय साइड।
Very good evening to you.
या थैंक यू। अच्छा, श्रीलंका और नामीबिया की असल बात कर ले तो उससे पहले मैं आपको जो आपने शुरू में जो शुरू किया ना 7 का हिंसा जो था, आप एक चीज मिस करके मैं थोड़ा सा ऐड कर दूं। ऑस्ट्रेलिया और न्यूजीलैंड का जो मैच भी हुआ था उसमें भी पहले ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने मेरे ख्याल से 7 विकेटों पे उनकी 7 विकेटें गिरी और दूसरी टीम ने जो चेस किया वो भी 7 विकेटों पे किया, उनकी भी 7 विकेटें गिरी। तो ये एक बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग चीज है बिल्कुल। और अगर आप श्रीलंका और नामीबिया की बात करें तो मैंने देखे उस मैच में भी लो स्कोरिंग ऑब्वियसली वन साइडेड मैच हुआ वो। नामीबिया मतलब सबको पता है कि वो इतनी अच्छी टीम नहीं है, उसमें मेरे ख्याल से एक आधा प्लेयर ही है, डेविड गीजा मेरे ख्याल से, जो साउथ अफ्रीका से भी खेले हुए हैं, लाहौर कलंदर से खेलते हैं। उसके अलावा मेरे ही नहीं ख्याल कोई ऐसा प्लेयर उनकी टीम में है जो कि कोई प्रोमिनेंट जिसका कोई नाम हो। श्रीलंका अगेन ने बॉलिंग अच्छी की, स्पिनर ने भी बहुत अच्छी बॉलिंग की और फिर जब बैटिंग आई तो उन्होंने ऑल्दो उन्होंने शुरू में उनकी विकेटें गिर गई, मगर ये है कि बाद में उन्होंने एक अच्छी पार्टनरशिप की जिसकी वजह से ये टारगेट जो चेज कर लिया।
Roshan, do you think Ireland give tough time on the 20th October to Sri Lankan team?
Well, it's not about they giving Sri Lanka a tough time. It's about the fact that they are unpredictable. You know, so just look at the two sides. Look at the two scenarios. Sri Lanka are desperate to qualify. Not that Ireland is not, but Sri Lanka has, they're playing for their pride. They are one of the, they're a reigning, they're one of the champions. They're a team that won a T20 World Cup. They've been a runner-up before. So the reputation is at stake. So when you go in with such a reputation, such a background, and for a proud nation that has seen them do well in cricket and win World Cups, they are under a lot of pressure. So going into that game, they will be under pressure and they'll expect Ireland to come hard at them, because Ireland is also expected to go through to the final round, to the top 12. But I'm confident that Sri Lanka will get through this first round and get into the final 12. But, it's not, I can't see it, I can't see them doing it all that easily, because as you did see how Namibia very nearly rattled them with those 3 quick wickets. So they're under pressure. Their record in T20 hasn't been really good. And they got, the stakes are pretty high here.
Okay. आमिर भाई, जिस तरह रोशान का ये मानना है कि इस वक्त जो तशख़्ख़ुस है श्रीलंकन टीम का वो स्टेक पे लगा हुआ है, तो ऐसी सूरत हाल में कि जब आप दुनियाई क्रिकेट पे आपने राज किया हो, बहुत बड़े नाम आपके हों और हरीफ खिलाड़ी आपको देखकर उनकी टांगें कांपती हों, तो ऐसे वक्त में जब आप क्वालिफाइंग राउंड खेल रहे हो तो किस तरह का प्रेशर आपके ऊपर होता है?
देखिए, प्रेशर तो है और इतना आसान नहीं होता कि अगर आप की टीम से महिला जयवर्धने जैसा प्लेयर चला जाए, संगाकारा जैसा प्लेयर चला जाए, फिर उनका जो स्पिनर था, लेफ्ट आर्म स्पिनर जो थे हैरथ, वो निकल जाएं तो मुश्किल होती है, क्योंकि ये जो प्लेयर थे ये कैरी कर रहे थे श्रीलंका टीम को। अब ये जो नए प्लेयर्स आ रहे हैं इनको थोड़ा सा टाइम लग रहा है कि वो फिल इन करें शूज़ में, तो लेकिन ये है कि टैलेंट इनमें है, बैट्समैन इनके बहुत एक्सप्लोसिव हैं, बट सिर्फ़ और सिर्फ अपने आप को ऑर्गेनाइज़ करने की ज़रूरत है। और मैं ये समझता हूँ कि ये जो कंडीशंस हैं जो मैं देख रहा हूँ, एशिया की कोई टीम जो है उसको जो है फाइनल जीतना चाहिए, क्योंकि इतनी टेलरमेड सारी कंडीशंस हैं और पिचेस हैं कि यहाँ पे उनको डोमिनेट करना चाहिए। और श्रीलंका अगर उनके बैट्समैन राइट अप्रोच के साथ खेलेंगे, आते ही छक्कों की सोच की बात नहीं उन्होंने करनी, थोड़ा सा टाइम दें। ये वो वाली पिचेस नहीं है जहाँ पे आप बल्ले पे गेंद आना शुरू हो जाएगा, थोड़ा सा टाइम देंगे टॉप ऑर्डर बैट्समैन, चीज़ें जो है श्रीलंका के लिए जो है वो ईजी होती जाएंगी।